Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today we brought you a brand new video. We want to show you how to download or install CoinGecko app in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. CoinGecko is a mobile app that tracks information on a massive range of cryptocurrency. Overall, 13,540. Think of it as a one-stop shop for crypto. Alright, let's get started. Downloading the CoinGecko app is a quick and easy process. Here's what you need to do. Grab your iPhone or iPad, make sure it's connected to the internet. Open the App Store, which is a familiar blue icon. In the source bar at the top of the screen, type in CoinGecko. You should see the official CoinGecko app developed by CoinGecko Financial displayed in the search result. This will tap Get to begin the download process. Depending on your device model, you will be asked for the ID verification, either Face ID or Touch ID. After verifying your ID, it will start the download process. And congratulations, the CoinGecko app is now installed on your iOS device. That's all you need to do to download the CoinGecko app on your iOS device. With the app downloaded, you can explore all the features CoinGecko has to offer. Bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all to never miss any updates. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.